Yung dati. Video.
Ganyan.
Oo. Kailangan may video tayo kasi look at the view.
Thank you very much. Una, babalik ka dito ha. Next year.
Next year, maybe next year.
Ano ang comment mo sa restaurant, sa view?
Great. Yeah, I like it. Actually, this is my first time again. But I really like the place. No, the place is very gorgeous.
How about the ambience? How about the ambience? How about the ambience?
Yung environment.
Oh my goodness.
And natural resources.
Oh yeah. I already say great. Apakalalagay sa English, hindi it's not common to use this. It's not common use to them.